Hello guys, welcome to our channel English Learning. In today's tutorial we will learn the meaning of negotiation in English and Hindi with example sentences. If you found this video helpful, then please hit like button and share this video to all. Meaning of negotiation in English is discussion aimed at reaching an agreement, or action or process of transferring legal ownership of a document.
नेगोशिएशन का हिंदी अर्थ होता है बातचीत, समझौता, वार्ता या पराक्रमण.
Example sentences: We have been watching your negotiations.
हम आपकी बातचीत देख रहे हैं.
After months of negotiation, an agreement was finally reached.
महीनों की बातचीत के बाद आखिरकार समझौता हो गया.
The negotiation has entered upon a serious phase.
वार्ता एक गंभीर चरण में प्रवेश कर गई है.
We have agreed to continue the negotiations.
हम बातचीत जारी रखने पर सहमत हुए हैं.